Hi, I'm Megan with Camp365, and one question we get asked quite a bit is, what do we do about storage? Well, the good news is there is 5 separate areas of storage in Camp365. First, we're going to talk about the storage in the Nosecone. So things I like to store in the front Nosecone storage area are things like your camping essentials, fold-out chairs, and soft coolers. So the side bins are meant to hold the leveling legs, but they are definitely spacious enough to also hold the awning poles and stakes, the leveling pads, the wheel chocks, and things like that. So when the camper's closed, you actually have a 4th weather-tight storage area that is great for soft-sided items like duffel bags, pillows, air mattresses, any soft, bulky items. There is also a large in-floor storage area inside the camper. I use it for items that I like to keep in the camper between trips, for things like the propane stove and the cassette toilet.